Yes, good evening to everybody. Welcome to the last set, TSCAP 2021 last set, and 26th, no, 27th session is in progress today. Yes, can anybody, the participants, could read what I posted on the screen? Durga Prasad Konapuri, unmute and read. Arasana Fatima, or Syed Jamalur Rahman. Any one of unmute, read what I posted on the screen.
Happy International Left-Handed Day, August 13, 2021.
What is that? What I posted, read.
Happy International Left-Handed Day.
Over.
August
August 13, 2021. Yes, in this day is the International Day. Now I will tell you that some personalities are there. M.K. Gandhi and Mother Teresa, even Sachin Tendulkar, Amitabh Bachchan. They are all, yes, they are all
left-handed people.
left-handed people. Even today only I came to know that even Mahatma Gandhi is a Sapa. Not southpaw means left hand.
They are called southpaws.
Yeah, southpaws. Yeah. Now let us come to the point that when is the International Left Hand Day is celebrated every year across the world? Yes, which day?
13th August.
Yes, very good. 13th August. The day was first observed in the 1976 by Dash, founder of the Left-Hander International. Is a teacher R.
Sir,
Campbell, head R. Campbell, Dean R. Campbell, reader R. Campbell. Which is the right one?
Sir, he
Which option? Even though it is wrong, doesn't matter. There is no minus marks.
Option 1.
Option?
One, sir.
Anyone? Why you are hesitating? Why you are stammering? It's the option 3. Dean R. Campbell is the person who is the founder and of this left hand international. Next, dash are more likely to be left-handed than dash women, men, men, women, adult, minor, minor, adult. Which is the appropriate? Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, which is clearly shown on the screen. Who are the more? Women are more, the men are more? Sir, we don't know.
Men are the more, sir.
Yes, which option is right?
Men are the more, sir.
Option I said.
Sir, this is not visible, sir. Your this is on Bhadrachalam, sir. So your video is not visible, sir.
Why it is not visible? The people could see it very nicely.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Only for our town fault, sir.
Okay. That option 2, men and women. Here, men are more likely to be left-handed than women. That means men are more. Yes. How do people celebrate National Left-Hander Day? And the answer below, but one does not belong to the answer. What is that which does not belong to the answer? Is it a join in social media with the left-handers day number tag, or 2, join in the social media with the left-handers day hashtag? Number 3, share your left-centric photos. 4, video with the South Pass, which is not connected with the left-handers day. Among the 1, 2, 3, 4, it is difficult for you even because I changed the hashtag, then I put the number tag there. So that is not connected with that one. That means number 1 option is not connected with the National Left-Handers Day. The other 3 are very much connected. That is the point. Yes. What percentage of the world is left-handed 2021? Is it 9%, 10%, 11%, 12%? Anyone? Anyone, I said.
9%.
It is 10% left-handers in the world population. Is a total 10% it is there. Yes, that is the answer for that one. And next, let me take the, yeah. And this is the, this has come, I don't know. Okay. So 10% is the answer. International Left-Handers Day is for days. Studies suggest that approximately 10% of the world population is left-handed. Yes, Barack Obama and James Garfield, Herbert Hoover, Henry Truman, Gerald Ford, Ronald Reagan, George H.W. Bush, Bill Clinton, they're all Southpaws. They're all left-handers. Then what about Hitler? Anyone? Anyone, I said. What about the Hitler? Say pass on. I will give the answer.
Awesome. Awesome.
Why you are taking so slowly? Sir, pass on, sir. Okay, it is Hitler is a left-hander. So these are the people, those who are the left-handers today. Now I will request my wife, Mauza,
Sir,
to go
I
through the
want to
subject.
say
Yes, you
one
want to say
thing
something?
at this juncture, sir.
You want to
Sir,
say something?
yes, sir. There are some people who are ambidextrous. Ambidextrous means they can use their both hands
Yes,
equally skillfully.
yes, the two hands.
For example, Sachin Tendulkar, he bats with left hand and he bowls with right hand.
Okay.
So such people are there. Those people are called ambidextrous.
Yes,
So
yes,
then
yes.
they can use both hands skillfully.
Yes, thank you very much. Yes, shall I proceed? Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
You say yes, huh? That is the way. Okay. Yes, now coming to the point of my host, Mrs. Afzal Shehnaz, my wife, in Latin terminology, you say uxer, UXOR, uxer. Okay. Now hand over to her. Yes, please.
Hello, good evening, everybody.
Say loudly.
Now, here the quotations. Now, 51 question. Quotation is, life is really simple, but we insist on making it complicated. Said by whom? The one is Buddha, two is Confucius, and three is Vivekananda, and four is Dadabhai Naroji.
Who said those words? No minus must try. It's a Confucius. See, it is clearly mentioned over there. I don't know why you are not making it. It is there. Confucius is there and clearly mentioned.
Confucius is a Chinese philosopher.
Yes. Proceed.
Question number 52. Here quotation is, life is made of ever so many partings welded together. One is Shakespeare,
William Shakespeare.
and two is George Bernard Shaw, and three is Charles Dickens, and
Fourth one is
fourth is Ernest Miller Hemingway.
who said those words? Yeah, here it is clearly mentioned.
Charles Dickens.
It is life is made of the ever so many partings welded together. It is said by Charles Dickens.
His
Yes, next.
novels consist of so many partings, sir.
Yes.
The
Pygmalion also
characters
there, no?
the characters separate from each other many a time in his novels.
Okay.
Charles Dickens novels.
Yes. Shall I proceed?
Now, question number 53. Before anything else, preparation is key to success.
The key to success.
Preparation is the key to success. Who said? One is Albert Einstein, and two is Alexander Graham Bell, and three is Sir Isaac Newton, and four is Pythagoras. Yes.
Option 1, Albert Einstein.
No.
Second option is Alexander Graham Bell. Here you could see.
The
Before
great
anything
man who
else,
invented
preparation is
telephone.
yes. Yes.
Who
who invented telephone?
Yeah. Alexander Graham Bell, he invented the telephone also. Yes.
Question number
54.
I alone cannot change the world, but I can cast a stone across the water to create many ripples. Who said one is Sarojini Devi Naidu, and two is Mother Teresa, and three is Margaret Thatcher, and four is Mirabai.
Aye. It is Mother Teresa said, I alone cannot change the world, but I can cast a stone across the water to create the many ripples. It is Mother Teresa said those words. Yes, 55.
55. Question number 55. Here quotation. We want deeper sincerity of motive. A great courage is in speech and earnestness in action. One is Sarojini Devi Naidu, and two is Mother Teresa, and three is Margaret Thatcher, and fourth is Mirabai.
Yes. Who said those words?
Option 1, sir.
Option 1.
Is it option 1? Check it.
Good.
It is good. It is Sarojini Devi Naidu, the Nightingale of India. Sarojini Devi Naidu. We want deeper sincerity to motive, a great courage in the speech and earnestness in action. 56 quotation. Please read.
Question is, an unexamined life is not worth living. Who said?
I already put over there.
One is Aristotle, two is Plato, three is Socrates, and fourth is Shankaracharya.
And I removed just now. By the time that you would have seen it, who said that? And he has taken the hamlock, the people surrounding the hamlock. Yes, who is he?
Option 3, sir.
Socrates. The unexamined life is not worth living, Socrates said. Yes, next.
Simply say option 3. You also read the answer.
Yes. Yeah, that means option 3, you have to say Socrates. That is the right way of saying. Option 3, Socrates. That is the way of saying. Yes. Next.
Now, question number 57. One never notices what has been done. One can only see what remains to be done. One is Helen Keller, two is Maria Curie,
Marie Curie, please.
and three is Milton, and fourth is Mother Teresa.
What is the right answer?
Sir, madam's voice seems to be very low. I don't know
She is
whose fault.
sitting at distance. She is sitting at the distance. That's why I pulled her.
Whose
I
fault
pulled her.
is
I
it?
pulled her. But anyway, the answer is Marie Curie. I never see what has been done. I only saw what remains to be done. Marie Curie, she said these words. Yes. Next. Say loudly.
Now, 58th question. Beauty is power. A smile is its sword. One is
Leigh Hunt.
Leigh Hunt, and two is Victor Hugo, and three is John Ray, and fourth is Madame Curie.
Marie Curie, actually. Yes. Anyone? Make a trial, doesn't matter. Make a trial, doesn't matter, no minus marks. Sir, but trial would add also sir, because you collected somewhere that we can
Option
come
3.
across.
Option
Option 3.
3.
Read it.
Beauty is power. A smile is a sword. Sword. That is the genre. She. It is not he. Okay, next.
Now 59th question here, quotation, don't take rest after your first victory, because if you fail in second, more lips are waiting to say that your first victory was just a luck.
Not your luck. Just luck.
Just luck.
Number one.
Swami Vivekananda. 2 is Abraham Lincoln. 3 is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. And 4th is Radhakrishnan.
Which is the right answer?
Abdul, option 2. Option 3.
Option 3. You're correct.
Yes, those are the things. And yes, don't be. Yes, another is there. Yeah, that's the same thing. Don't be take rest after your first victory, because if you fail in second, more lips are awaiting to say that your first victory was just luck. APJ Abdul Kalam. Yes, next, the last one is
60. To have a body is to suffer. Said by Gautama Buddha. 1 and 2 is Chinnamaya
Swami.
and 3 is Swami Shankaracharya. 4 the Radhakrishna Paramahamsa.
Who among them? Total 4. And who are the right person who said to have a body is to suffer? Okay, no one is giving answer. To have a body is to suffer, said by
Gautam, sir.
even though I share the screen, people are getting fear to say. Even though I share the screen, so our screen is not visible. But why you are not saying? See, not visible. Sir, our bandwidth is not that much strong, sir. That's why we could not see, sir. Okay, now I magnified it. This is the end of the Friday. That is the 13/8/2021 online class by my Uxar, UXOR, Uxar Latin terminology. That means my wife, Afzal Shana, she did it. Now I switch over to the Kolikonda Sharad Babu. Be ready. And today that we are going to deal the 10. And here your 21 starts, right?
Good evening. I'm starting with the 21st question in general knowledge and current affairs. Section 66A Information Technology Act was declared unconstitutional in, is it 2014 or is it 2015, 2016, 2017? These are the four options. In which year was it declared unconstitutional? 66A. Information
Capital
Act.
A.
Option,
So
sir,
this,
2015.
yes, option 2015 is the correct answer. Recently, there was a discussion about it even in the Supreme Court also, because many states are not obliging it, and many cases are still going on, and according to this section. So, yeah, Supreme Court gave a strict warning. Shreya Shingal versus Union of India. This is also very important. Please remember this case is a judgment by a two-judge bench of the Supreme Court of India in 2015 on the issue of online speech and intermediate liability in India. The Supreme Court struck down Section 66A of the Information Technology Act 2000 relating to restrictions on online speech as unconstitutional on grounds of violating the freedom of speech guaranteed under Article 19(1)(a). Article 19(1)(a) deals with the freedom of speech. So it was declared unconstitutional according to Article 19(1)(a) in 2015. 22nd question. Italian Prime Minister is Juan Carlos, Mario Draghi, Macron, Orlando Flani. There are four options. You know, Italy is adjacent to France. Spain. Minister is Juan Carlos, Mario Draghi, Macron, Orlando Forlani. Which option is the right one? Which one do you choose?
3, sir.
Option, sir.
Option
3.
Option 2 is the correct answer. It is Mario Draghi. The current president is Sergio Mattarella. President is Sergio Mattarella, and the prime minister is Mario Draghi. You can remember even president also, Sergio Mattarella. The Economist Intelligence Unit rated Italy as a flawed democracy in 2019. Since the end of World War II, Italy has had 66 governments at an average of one every 1.14 years. So each year it is used to have a different government. So that's why Economic Intelligence Unit declared it as a flawed democracy in 2019. Now, 23rd question. Sir, it is somewhat ambiguous. It is not clear. I am skipping it.
Okay. That is the
Yes.
chief of the political bureau means he is a person who is the chief for this political bureau.
Yes.
And here I have given the
Of
Fazi
which
Burhan,
country?
Khaled Mashal, Ismail Hania, and Mousa Abu Marzouk. So
Of which country?
these people belongs to the Hamsa. What is that? Hamsa
Oh,
group. Hamsa group, I think.
Hamas.
Hamas. Yeah. Hamas
Yes.
group.
Chief of the political bureau of Hamas. Now it's clear.
Hamas. Yeah.
Yes. Chief
Here,
of the political bureau of
I
Hamas,
should
which
have
is
to
a
write
Palestinian
Hamas. Yes.
Palestinian terrorist organization it is, and Fauzi Barhum, Khaled Mashal, Ismail Haniyeh, Mousa Abu Marzouk. So the option 3 is the correct answer. It is
Yes.
Ismail Haniyeh.
Yeah.
He is the chief of the political bureau of Hamas, which is a Palestinian terrorist organization. And now question number 24. First Indian woman to win 2 Olympic medals, this time bronze, silver and bronze. First Indian woman to win 2 Olympic medals. Is it P.T. Usha, Karnam Malleshwari, P.V. Sindhu, Abhinav Bindra? Yes, P.V. Sindhu. This time she has won bronze. Previously she has won silver. So she has won 2 medals for India in Olympics. One was previously silver and now it is bronze. Now 25th question is match the following. There are different kinds of traditional dances of different states and you have to match with those states. List A consists of those dances: Bharatanatyam, number 2 Kathakali, number 3 Kuchipudi, number 4 Mohiniyattam. The states under list B are Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, AP. So the options are 1B, 2A, 3D, 4A, 1C, 2A, 3D, 4B, 1C, 2D, 3B, 4A, 1A, 2B, 3C, 4D. So very
Breaking, voice breaking.
yes, is the correct one.
Voice breaking it is.
The traditional dance of Kathakali.
Raju Chinna, your voice is breaking.
Kuchipudi is the traditional dance of AP. Mohiniyattam is the traditional dance of Kerala. So option 1 is the correct one. 1B, 2A, 3D, 4A. So who is the father of Bharatanatyam? Nataya, Bharata, Nachanan, Bharatva. Who is the father of Bharatanatyam? Bharatanatyam is that we know it is the traditional dance of Tamil Nadu, but who was its founder or father?
3, sir.
Option 2 is the correct answer. Bharata.
Bharata.
with his own name. With this name, Bharatanatyam was founded. Bharatanatyam is more popular in South Indian states of Tamil Nadu.
Yeah, it is
This is the
breaking. It's a
most
breaking. Voice
student.
is breaking.
It is sacred dance in called Natya Shastra. Now, 27th question, match the following. And a list here again, dances are given, traditional dances are given of different states. Odissi, Punjab, Manipuri, Garba. Under list B, there are some states, Manipur, actually it should have been Manipur, Rajasthan, Odisha, and this side Punjab should be there. Okay. Some mismatching is there, no problem, you can match it. The options are 1B, 2C, 3D, 4A, 1C, 2A, 3D, 4B, 1C, 2D, 3A, 4B, 1A, 2B, 3C, 4D.
Option 3, sir. 1C, 2D, 3A, 4B.
Yes, that's the right answer. That's the correct option. Odisha matches with Odissi matches with Odisha because the name is itself stands. And Punjab, Bhangra is traditional dance of Punjab, and Manipuri is with Manipur, and Garba is matched with Rajasthan. Rajasthan's one of the traditional dances is Garba. Of course, there is another traditional dance also. And match the following again, the same type of question. This time, Roof, Ghumar, Chow, Bihu. These are the traditional dances. And states are Odisha, Rajasthan, Assam, Kashmir. Options are 1B, 2A, 3D, 4A, 1C, 2A, 3D, 4B, 1D, 2B, 3D, 4C, 1A, 2B, 3C, 4D.
Option 3.
Option 3. Yes, that is the correct answer. Rauf matches with Kashmir, Kumar matches with Rajasthan, Chow matches with Assam, and Bihu matches with C, Assam. Okay.
Next
1D, 2B, 3D, 4C. Okay. The next question is capital of Australia. Madrid, Melbourne, Sydney, Canberra. Which is the capital of Australia?
See, this we discussed on the day, and we searched the Google site also. Then we found the right answer. Otherwise, I was also in the confusion state. I was thinking that Sydney, but
No,
actually it is
sir.
not a Sydney. It is Canberra.
Option 4.
Yes, of course, Sydney is the biggest city in Australia, but it is not the capital. The capital is Canberra. Canberra is the capital of Australia. Yes. Now, the last question
Just
is
add something to it. And the famous classical opera is more there in Australia.
yeah,
And number one, number two, there is a lotus. What is that lotus? Temple, Baha'i temple. It is there in Australia. Yes. Please
okay.
continue.
Now, the last question, 30th question. The PM of Australia is James Callaghan, Jacinda Ardern, Scott Morrison, David Hurley. These are the options. Which one do you choose? Is it
Please.
option 3, Scott Morrison, the incumbent prime minister? The present prime minister is Scott Morrison, who took office in August 2018 as leader of the Liberal Party. Formally appointed by the Governor General, the office of the Prime Minister is governed by Westminster System Convention as it is not described in the Australian Constitution. So, Australia's Prime Minister is Scott Morrison. So that's all for today. Sir, please continue.
Yes. I came already that we discussed this thing. Syndicate Bank was merged with the Canara Bank, then the Vijay Bank and Dina Bank was merged with the, already we discussed the what? What? Indian Bank,
Bank
Indian
of
Overseas
Baroda.
Bank, Bank of Baroda, Punjab National Bank.
Bank of Baroda, sir.
Bank of Baroda, we discussed yesterday. Again, you are taking so much time to give the answer. Yes, let us come to the next. Match the following from the part A to part B. Yes, let us see that how you can match them. Number one, in the part A, all the banks' names are there. Indian Overseas Bank, Canara Bank, UCO Bank, Union Bank of India. In the part B, the headquarters, Bangalore, Chennai, Bombay, Calcutta. Now match the following. Which one is the right one? 1B, 2B, 3D, 4C. 1B, 2D, 3D, 3A, 4C. 1B, 2A, 3C, 4D. 1D, 2A, 3B, 4C. Which one is the correct one? See, use the deductive method. First you find out one. Then automatically out of 4, one is over. Then you try to make the another one. Then automatically you reach the point. At least if you know 1 or 2 here, then okay, I can give the clue. Indian Overseas Bank in Chennai. Okay, now you go. Yes, సార్
Option
మాకు
1.
స్టేట్ బ్యాంక్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా అంటే తెలుసు సార్ మాకు, ఎందుకంటే సార్ అది బొంబాయిలో ఉండదు
Option
సార్.
1.
Sir, B, sir.
It is a 1B, 2A, 3D, 4C. Is it clear? Indian Overseas Bank, Chennai. Canara Bank. Where is Canara Bank?
Bangalore, sir.
Kolkata. And UCO Bank.
Kolkata.
Is it? See, here, Indian Overseas Bank, 1A, Chennai, Canara Bank, Bangalore, UCO Bank, Calcutta, Union Bank of India, Bombay. So this is the right answer. Okay? Shall I proceed?
Yes,
Shall I
sir.
proceed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next is 174, then B, that is the offspring that I generated just. Match the following from part A to part B. Part A, Punjab National Bank, Canara Bank, Union Bank of India, Bank of Baroda. Sorry, sir. No, this is different. Their motto, what is their logo, what is their aim, what is their slogan, what is their manifesto. The name you can bank upon. Together we can. Good people to bank with. India's International Bank. Sir, we did not expect that, that such a type of the question also going to be asked. It can be asked. Yes. What is the feedback? See, here I have given Punjab National Bank directly. The name you can bank upon. Canara Bank, together we can. Union Bank of India, good people to bank with. And Bank of Baroda, India's International Bank. These are all their manifesto slogans.
Sir, I want to add one thing.
Pardon?
The Indian Overseas Bank's motto is the good people to grow with. Good people to grow with. That is
Yeah.
Indian Overseas Bank's slogan.
It is Indian Overseas Bank.
Good people to grow with, not bank with. Of course, yours is right. I am not disputing.
But I did not mention here. But
But
you are
Indian
slogan.
Overseas Bank.
Okay, slogan that you are showing.
Yes, yeah.
Okay.
Adding, sir.
Adding. Okay, add extra. Of course, there are total 12 are there. They do have their own. But I didn't. I will show you the list now. Here, don't worry. I will show you the list. How many public sector banks are after merger in 2020? Sorry, it's a easy question. Why you are asking? Yes. Easy question, but nobody is giving the answer.
14,
12.
sir.
It is 12. Earlier, it is 27. Now, it is 12. Okay. Here, if I could magnify it, you could know it. Why I am showing this one. Yes. See, public sector banks, the public sector bank, Punjab National Bank. The merger with the Oriental Bank and of Commerce and United Bank of India. Its headquarters is New Delhi. Their tagline, that is a logo or a slogan, is the name you can bank upon. Indian Bank, with the merger of the Allahabad, Chennai, your tech-friendly bank. And State Bank of India, Mumbai, with you all the way. Pure banking, nothing else. The nation's bank on us. Canara Bank with merged of Syndicate Bank, Bangalore, headquarter. Together we can. And Union Bank of India, Mumbai. Good people to bank with. Then with a merger of Andhra Bank and the Corporation Bank is there in the Union Bank of India. Yes, Indian Overseas Bank, Chennai. Good people to grow with. Just now our host, Kolikanda Sarath Babu has revealed it. Indian Overseas Bank and Chennai headquarter, good people to grow with. That is their tag. That is the slogan. UCO Bank, Kolkata, honors your trust. That is the and Bank of Maharashtra, Pune, one family, one bank. Punjab and Sindh Bank, Rajendra Place, New Delhi, where service is a way of life. Bank of India, Mumbai, relationships beyond banking. See, I have picked only the 3 or 4, but I have given you the list of it. At least there may be possibility they may ask what is the tag line with that one. And suppose if you are preparing for the BCJ, that is the Bachelor of Communication and Journalism examination entrance, they have to see the even advertisement also. Zor se dhakka, dheere se lage. Which trade, sir? Yes, sir. Anyone, sir? Zor se dhakka, dheere se lage. పాస్ అని చెప్పండి సార్, తెలియకపోతే మేము ఏం చెప్పాం సార్, మీరు చెప్తే చెప్పండి, లేకుంటే లేదు. ఓకే, నేను కూడా చెప్పాను. ఓకే, 176 స్క్వేర్స్. బ్రాస్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు కాపర్ ప్లస్ జింక్. ఐరన్ ప్లస్ క్రోమియం 18%, నికెల్ 5%. Then here iron, chromium, nickel, I put the question mark. What will come in the question mark? Aluminium, bronze, steel or silver?
Aluminum, sir.
It is the steel. Brass, copper plus zinc. Steel, iron plus chromium. Means chromium 18%, nickel 5%. Both combination of chromium and nickel. Yes, 177 question. If they stand behind you, protect them. If they stand beside you, respect them. If they stand against you, dash them. Inspire them, encourage them, defeat them, convince them. I repeat. Or anyone can unmute and read. Anyone can unmute and read.
If they stand behind you, protect them. If they stand beside you, respect them. If they stand against you, dash them. Inspire, encourage, defeat, convince. I think convince is the answer.
No, defeat. Defeat is the answer. See, if they stand behind you, protect them. If they stand beside you, respect them. If they stand against you, defeat them. Yes, 178. What is odd man out? The following President of USA: Ronald Reagan, Bill Clinton, Barack Obama, Biden.
Obama.
Option 1.
3.
Just now I have given you the hint.
It is
South
Biden.
Pass. South Pass. Except one.
It's
Give
Bill
me
Clinton.
answer.
Bill Clinton.
Sir,
I say South Pass. I read all the people's earlier. Just
It is
again,
Biden. It is Biden. actually.
Biden. Why you are taking that much time? See,
Of course,
serial number
in
1,
one
2,
way,
3, they're all the left-handers.
They're all
Yes.
former presidents. In
Yes.
that way also, it is odd man.
Yes. And the fourth one is serial number is a right-hander. Yes, 179th question. Who is or was Odd man out. William Shakespeare, William Wordsworth. Why this has come? Okay. Let me go. So, William Shakespeare, William Wordsworth, John Milton, D.H. Lawrence. Odd man out.
John Milton should be, I think, because he
Why?
is the one who is blind.
Yeah. Serial number 1, 2, and 4 not blind except serial number 3. Blind person. And answer is John Milton is the right answer because other people are not blind.
Of
Yes.
Paradise Lost and Paradise Regained.
Yeah. John Milton's. Purity of milk measured by lactometer. Then purity of honey is number 1, the heat test. Number 2, honey remains unburned. Number 3, dip a matchstick in honey and light it, and all the above. How you measure the purity of honey? All the above. If you want to see the purity, heat it. Heat test is there. Honey remains unburned. Unburned means? Is it? Is it? Say yes or
Yes, sir.
no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. Dip a matchstick in honey and light it. Mandadu. All the above is the right answer. Then read the 181 question. Participants only, not co-host. Yes. Unmute and read. భక్తులందా నిద్రపోతున్నారు. Unmute and read. Are you hearing me? I doubt. Kolikonda Sharad Babu, you tell me, are you hearing me?
Keep or arrange the words in the meaningful sequence. Option A, trouble
Say
you.
loudly, sonorous voice, like a lioness.
Keep or arrange the words in a meaningful sequence. Option A, troubles you. Option B, till the trouble. Option C, do not. Option D, trouble yourself.
It is very difficult to other people to follow you. Let me read again. Keep or arrange the words in a meaningful sequence. Here I have given 1, A, B, C, D. Troubles you till the trouble, don't trouble yourself. Which one is you make a meaningful sentence with these 4 options? Yes. C, D, A, B, D, C, B, A, C, B, D, A. The 4th one is C, D, B, A. Yes, what is the, you can make the sentence? Not
Fourth
Sharad Babu.
one.
Let the participant will try it. Try even though it is wrong, don't matter. I don't know why you are not coming forward. I said there is no minus marks. Sayyidur Rahman, Sayyid Jamalur Rahman, I would like to hear your voice. Sayyid Jamalur Rahman, I would like to hear your voice. Unmute. And
Yes, sir.
yes, try to give the answer for that 181 question. Even though it is wrong, doesn't matter.
Option first, sir.
C, D, A, B. No, it is D, C, B, A. That means don't trouble yourself till the trouble troubles you.
Yes.
So don't trouble yourself till the trouble troubles you. That means the DCBA is the right way of arranging the things. Okay, now statements. Some kings are queens. All queens are beautiful. Then conclusion. All the kings are beautiful. All the queens are kings. Then number 1, only A follows. Number 2, only B follows. Number 3, either A or B follows. Number 4, neither A or B follows. It is called syllogism. Syllogism or syllogism. Yes. So, if you want to understand it, you have to have the keen observation for this one. See, I will show you the way that you have to do it. You take the first, what is the first statement they said? Some kings are queens, means there are, some of them are queens. So if you take this one, this is queens, and this is king. And this area is some of them. Some of the kings are queens, okay? That is the first. This is a diagram, Venn diagram. Okay, circle. The next is all queens are beautiful. So let us see here. All queens are beautiful means this is a beautiful. This is a beautiful, and the queens are center means all queens are beautiful. If I want to say all kings are beautiful, sir. All kings are, fill up the blanks. All kings are beautiful, sir. There is no, for male, there is no beautiful. For female only beautiful comes. For the male, what comes? What comes? సార్ మాకు తెలియదు సార్, మీరు చెప్తే
Handsome.
మరి ఎందుకు చెప్తలేరండి వీళ్ళు? ఇది మామూలు, ఇది ఈజీ థింగ్, నో, ఇట్ ఇస్ నాట్ దట్స్ ఎ టఫ్ క్వశ్చన్. We can say handsome. So this is the first thing is.
So with male, handsome is associated. With female,
Yes.
beautiful is associated.
Beautiful is associated with the female, and the male is associated with the handsome. So now the question here, if you see, all the kings are beautiful, all the kings are beautiful, then all the queens are kings. So here the conclusions are there. So how do you make it the conclusions? Let us see. They say all the kings are beautiful. Is it possible here? Can you see? All the kings are beautiful here. See, kings, these are the kings circle. Then beautiful circle is this circle. Means not all, means that is wrong. Not all, only few kings are beautiful. Because this circle covers the king circle only small portion. So it is not applicable. The conclusion is not proper way. Okay, let us see. All the queens are kings. Say all the queens are kings. Is it possible? Only some of them. Only some of them. All the queens are kings means only this area is. So the second conclusion also not it is suitable. So only A follows? No. Only B follows? No. Either A or B follows? No. Neither A nor B follows? Yes. Neither the A or B follows over there, means both are not followed properly. The reason is all the kings are beautiful. No. Here all the kings, see, this is the king. They are all not beautiful. Only some of them is beautiful. So that is not followed. Next one is, they say all the queens are kings. See, this is the queen. This is the queen. And this is the king. So all the queens are not here. The second one is all the queens are kings. It is not possible. Only this area is. So all the kings, the second also conclusion is not. So neither A nor B follows over there.